welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in and you love Halloween just like I do, make sure you press that subscribe button. Also, make sure you know what, click that bell for that notification link. So this is going to be a show and tell because I feel like I've worn this wig in a couple of my makeup tutorial videos. So I've actually had this wig for quite some time. Now this is by Main Concept Red Carpet line, and this is their Ice Cream Girl lace wig. Now this wig has been out for a couple years now, and I don't even know if they still even make this wig. I think they discontinued this line, but I thought it was so pretty that it came in all these different pastel colors. Now I have this in the color Pistachio, and it's like a mint green with darker green, lighter green highlights and some silver and white highlights mixed all in it. So this would be really cute for like a witchy look. That's why I have the black lips, and or for like a fairy look, if that's what you're going for this Halloween, or if this is just, something you want for your everyday, style. Do you, boo, do you. But this is cute. Now this does come with some tape, some adhesive tape, and this is an ear-to-ear lace, and it only has parting right here. Now it has a weird kind of lace, it's like the lace is kind of white, as you can see right there. So you will need to do some plucking, as I did. I didn't do too much, but you can see some of the white netting as I get closer. This comes with a little bit of baby hairs, and even though it is ear-to-ear lace, I don't think it comes with enough lace, because the lace it stops right here. So but it could be the way how I have it positioned, but still, if it would have gave me just a couple more, like an inch on each side, I would have definitely been good. Now this is like a yaki texture, like a light yaki texture, because it is really soft. The wig is also big head friendly. But you will get a lot of shedding. Oh my goodness, there was a lot of shedding, and you will have a bunch of flyaways. So I'm telling you right now, sis, make sure you have a bottle of spritz or some water in your brush, or whatever you do to tame this. Make sure you do it, because you will get it on your clothes, and it will start to stick on your face and on your lips, and yeah. But once you get that under control, I think you'll definitely be good to go. I do like the way how it is styled. I like the styling of this. It's very simple. It has a cute little wispy bang, but it only give me like an inch of feathered bang right here. I wish it was a little fuller up in here, because it's a little awkward when you're trying to style it. And also on this section right here, it has a little bit of a flip action, and you might want to go in and just layer it just a little bit more. Now I do have this swooped out because I don't have this glued down, also because of my hairline. My hairline curves out, so I didn't want to mess up this look with with my black edges out. But let me know how you think about this wig. Let me know what wig you would wear this to, or let me rephrase that. Let me know what costume you will wear this wig with. There we go. Got it. So let me know if it would be like a unicorn or a fairy, or maybe like a good witch, or whatever it is. Just let me know in the comment section below, because I like to hear everybody's thoughts, and I like to get to know each and every single one of you. So I am going to go ahead and I am going to do a 360. Now this wig does come to my chest area. I am 5'6", but a lot of people think I'm 5'9". Honestly, I'm 5'6". I get my height measured every year. It's just my body stature. But so I would say this is a good 18 to 20 inches. And the density on this is medium, so it's not heavy. This wig is not heavy at all. So this is how it looks all in the front. This is how it looks on the left side. This is how it looks all in the back. This is how it looks on the right side. And this is how it looks, in the front. So yeah, I do want to come in so y'all can see this color just a little bit more, because y'all know I let y'all appreciate the color with me. But like I say at the end of all of my videos, this has to come to an end. I know, I know, I know. But you know what? I always got another video waiting for you. So make sure y'all check out my 31 Days of October Slay. I am dropping videos every single day of the month of October. And let me tell y'all, it's been a challenge, but I love it, and I'm loving even more of the feedback. So, you know, keep it up, you know, thumbs up. Give me drop like a ghost emoji. Yeah, just do that. So like I say at the end of my videos, make sure you stay positive. Make sure you stay beautiful. Also, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And, you know, don't forget to check out the next slay. Bye.